Labor Day, or I was gonna say Labor Day weekend, but today is Labor Day, so we are going to Carmel for the day. It's like a 2-hour drive from here. It's been super hot like all weekend, but today is kind of gloomy, but it's still like 70, 80 degrees outside, which is odd. But yeah, I thought I would vlog today because we've been trying to go to the beach all summer, and we went once to Baker Beach and it was super cold. So I don't know, just our luck that it's always like cloudy whenever we want to go to the beach, but hopefully it's different in Carmel. I don't know. It's currently 10:16 and takes 2 hours, so yeah. Where's the sun? What is happening? Okay, so now it is raining or sprinkling, and we're like halfway to our destination, but it's sprinkling. What are we gonna do? I don't know. Fail. Now it is raining, but we're just driving through, so hopefully we drive past the rain and then it doesn't show up again. So we are at Ike's. We just got to Monterey and it's still kind of gloomy out, but we're like starving. We haven't eaten all day. Ew. We didn't even eat breakfast. We just woke up and came here, and I had to pee really badly, and I finally peed. But I got a, what are you doing? I got a sometimes I'm a vegetarian sandwich on Dutch bread, right? Dutch crunch. It's like white bread with like the crunchy top. And then what do you get? I forgot.
Spiffy Tippy.
Oh, he got a Spiffy Tippy, which is halal chicken, mushroom, avocado, pesto, provolone, and pepper. What?
Pepper jack.
Pepper jack. And my sometimes I'm a
Godfather
vegetarian.
sauce, everything.
Yeah, and he got a Godfather sauce. And then I got a sometimes I'm a vegetarian, and it's grilled mushroom, marinated artichoke heart, pesto, and I didn't get provolone, but then I got lettuce and tomatoes. I'm so hungry. We're so hungry. Oh, and I also have a weave in here because my company that I work for is extending to doing like hair extensions, and it's so itchy. I don't know how people do it. Look how long it is though. But it doesn't match like my hair color. So, I don't know. I wish it matched or else I would have liked it. Except for this. It's so itchy. It's so hard to sleep. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Because you would have gotten a weed in your hair.
Yeah. I have no problem sleeping.
It's sunny. It's sunny finally. Hopefully it stays sunny though. But it's a really nice day. Now it is. Oh look, a puppy. We picked up our Ikes. We checked in and got free chips, each of us, and then we stopped by Trader Joe's to pick up some more snacks.
In 1.1 miles, merge onto CA1 South.
Oh, I missed it, but my family went there a few years ago maybe, and we stayed here for the night, and then I just saw it and it hella gave me like flashbacks of when we were here. Yeah, nostalgia. And then we went to the Denny's next door to eat breakfast, and then, oh, hold on. Oh, and then we were around like the Monterey Fisherman's Wharf, and then we got some clam chowder, and then we went home. Good times. But I'm so hungry, and we have a 20-minute drive to the beach that we want to go to in Carmel. So we gotta tough it out, but at least I peed so I can drink water now. We finally found parking and arrived at the beach. I'm so excited. This beach is kind of like a white sand beach. So hopefully it's really soft. I'm so excited. And it's sunny. That's all I wanted, the sun. All right. Oh my gosh. This sand is so soft. I don't know if it was a good idea to wear my furry slips. He's chasing each other. Closer?
Wanna go closer?
Yeah. Oh my god, how cute. I wonder if the water is like clear. We have made our little spot, or not yet, but we chose where we want it. Yummy! And I got the avocado oil, sea salt chips. This is my Sammy. So excited to eat it. Look at that. First bite. Oh, look at the crust on this sandwich. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mmm, so good. I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm gonna go feel the water and see if it's cold. But it looks clear, so I'm very surprised. All right, here we go. Puppies. Oh, they're so cute. All right, here we go. Let's feel how cold this is. Oh my god, it's freezing cold. Holy crap, it's so cold. Oh, puppy. Oh my god, oh my god.
Look at the dog.
Oh my god, it's so cold. This water is like freezing cold. I don't know how people are swimming in this. It is so hot right now. Oh, this is such a lovely angle. It's so hot. Wish I brought my bathing suit. I had it at Justin's house, but it was hella gloomy there, so I didn't think that I would need it, but it's freaking hot here. But it feels nice being at the beach, finally. Well, we got fruit at Trader Joe's. I want a watermelon. I want kiwi. Oh, that's Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. Our friends are like all the way down there somewhere. Maybe I'll see them later. Try to get my tan on. Do I have a tan? I feel like this necklace, I should take this off. Hold on. How cute. So romantic. We're gonna take a walk down to try to find Vicky and Linda. Oh my gosh, the water. Oh, it actually feels good. It's been so hot, it feels nice. And my hair is crazy. We are going home now. It's 4 o'clock right now, and it got kind of chilly, like towards the end when we were leaving, and but then I also felt super sticky, and I don't know, my body just feels really gross. And my hair is like, it's been super irritating, so I put it kind of in a bun. I try to take this off when I get home, so I'm gonna try to see if Justin can do it, because you gotta like cut the sews, but I don't know. I don't know if it'll work, so.
Trust me to do that.
I don't know. So I don't know if I should like wait until tomorrow and ask my coworker to take it out for me. But it's literally so irritating. When we were walking down the beach, because you know when you walk on the beach, the sand kind of like is harder to walk. I started sweating. My head was super irritating. I don't think I'm made out for this life, and especially if I like go to the gym or something, I'm not gonna be able to go to the gym like with this in my head. I'm so thirsty. I'm pretty tired. Pretty tired. Sleepy? get like, I want something like soda-y. You just go straight. On the one. All the way.
All the way down.
Yeah, right?
Oh, San Francisco.
Yeah. But yeah, I want something like cold and refreshing. I feel like I want a soda, but then I don't want a soda. I don't know. I'm not normally a energy drink drinker, but I was so thirsty and I really wanted something bubbly, so I opted for a Monster Zero, the white one. And he got a Red Bull.
Which is empty.
Huh?
Which is empty.
Which he finished. And I forgot to get the water that I wanted to get, and that's why we went to the gas station. Fail. But I also really wanted this, so. Oh well. And if I drank that water, I would have had to pee a lot. So maybe it's good that I didn't get it. So we're kind of stuck in a lot of traffic right now. So me and Jess are playing a game. It's like 10 questions in categories. And we're like thinking about the category, and we're doing candy right now. And I just went and I got it before 10, and he said sour worms. And I guessed that on my 9th question. And then I was thinking about something, and then he got it too, and it was the caramel apple lollipop.
How many turns?
I think 8 or 9, I forgot. 8?
That means I won.
Whatever. So, okay, let's do another one. Same?
Yeah.
Candies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
You have it?
Yep.
Okay. Is it chocolate?
Nope.
Is it hard? Is it a hard candy? It takes that long for you to think about it.
It can be. Is it hard candy?
Yeah.
What's your first question? Chocolate. Right?
Chocolate.
Let's say no, it's not.
It's not a hard candy. Okay. Is it fruity?
Yes.
Is it
Oh, excuse me.
is Skittles?
No.
You said it is chewy?
You didn't ask that. You asked if
Okay,
it's
is
hard.
it chewy?
Yes.
Is it Mentos?
No. Is Mentos candy?
Yeah.
No.
There's like the fruity Mentos is really good. Okay, 6. Is sour?
Yes.
It's not trolley eggs? Is it
No.
trolley eggs? 8, right? Frank. Is it part of the Sour Patch family?
Nope.
I have one more question. Think. It's chewy, it's sour, it's fruity. What is it? Oh, I don't know. I only have one more guess. Seriously, I can't think of anything. I'm just gonna guess something random. Oh, frick, I don't know. Sour, fruity, chewy. Sour Skittles.
Nope.
What is it?
Now-laters.
What?
Now-laters.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I would not have thought about that. That's like
That's a you problem then.
now and laters are not sour.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not. That's like Starburst.
No, they're sour.
They're not sour.
They are.
They're not sour. They're kind of like Starburst, but they're not sour. Okay, my turn. Bye. Cheater. It's not sour.
They are.
Okay. All right, I got one. Your turn. Start.
Is it chocolate?
No.
Is it gummy?
Yes. Oh my god, I look beat right now.
Does it come individually wrapped?
No.
So it comes in a bag. What about is it called the Haribo?
No.
Okay. So they're definitely not gummy bears. Knowing you, there's some Asian candy. Probably.
Is that a question?
Probably no. I didn't ask you yes or no question. Oh, that was a dumb question. It was fruit based. Why would Coca-Cola candy be fruit based? Gummy hamburgers. Gummy
Last
pizza.
question. Nope.
What is it?
Gushers.
No.
We just got home and we finished dinner. We picked up some Thai food and these extensions are like super annoying on my head, so I'm asking Justin to cut them out for me. And hopefully he doesn't cut my real hair. I have so much respect for girls that have like sewn on extensions because this, it hurts. Not hurts, but it's like super irritating. Are you cutting my real hair? You can start pulling it out if it comes out. Is it coming out? Babe, you have to watch what you're doing, not
But
watch
the TV's
TV.
on.
Can you start pulling it out or no?
Yeah, I'm.
Oh, I see. I see. Oh my gosh. Oh, loud. All I want is to scratch my head.
You're moving too much.
I just can't wait to get it off so I can shower and wash my head like normal. God, my hair is crazy. Look at this weave on my head. So Justin got one out. One out of, I don't know how many is in my head. I feel like I'm bald. Ratchet hair. I finally got it all out and it feels like a mess. Look at this, like a bird's nest. Honestly, it feels so good to scratch my head like this. Oh, time to go shower and wash my hair. Feels so good. But I think I'm just gonna go shower now and wash my hair, and then we're probably gonna go watch a movie. Well, not go, but we're gonna watch a movie and go to sleep because tomorrow is Tuesday and we gotta go back to work. But just look at my hair. Or all this was in my head. Like, this is crazy. I guess that is it for my vlog today. Nothing else, really. But I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. Like a super random day. Really relaxing though, going to the beach. It was really hot at one point, like sweating. I feel like I got a tan, but no. Okay, I really need to shower because I feel like I look insane. Thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!